everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese and I'm back with another video. So in today's video we are going to show y'all, well we're going to show y'all, I'm going to show y'all my little unboxing video. This is some stuff that I got from G.U.S.H. If you don't know, I'm a brand ambassador for G.U.S.H. and I got my package today. My package came, and so yeah, I'm just going to show y'all what I got and what she has and all that good stuff. And so yeah, we just gonna show y'all. So the first thing I got is this little notebook, and it's so cute because I like to, I'm old school with it. I like to write my stuff down, and I'm also a YouTuber, so if I get a little, if I need to make some notes or write some notes, this is really good. And this is small, so it'll fit in my purse, because you know sometimes I'm out and about and I'll just get a YouTube idea in my head. So yeah, this is really good. It's just a little journal. I think it's so cute. Like, this is highly essential, especially for what I do. So, and it has a little logo on there. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's nice and thick. Okay, the next thing I got is this G.U.S.H. eyeshadow palette. I have no idea. I have no idea how to do makeup, but we're gonna try, and yeah, we're gonna try and see. But so should I do swatches? I guess I'll do some swatches. I don't even know how to do swatches. Hold on. Okay, so this is cute. Okay. Oh, this shit is pigmented. Y'all, I don't know how to do makeup. Oh, I like this one. It's cute. Where'd I end off? Okay. Ooh, this stuff is, y'all. Hold on. I'm finna mess up all my fingers. Ooh, I like these two. I'm more of a neutral girl, so okay, these three are me, but this is, I probably did not even do these swatches right, but that's all right. Y'all know I don't know nothing about doing makeup. Okay, so these are all the colors. It's so, I like it. They so pigmented. Okay, dang, what do I do now? I got just go. Give me a little. Hold on. Okay. All right. So this is the palette. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have fun with this. I'm definitely gonna try to use it because, you know, yes, this is cute, and it has a little mirror so I can just see what I'm doing. And it comes with a box. This is so cute. I love her packaging. Like, hold on, get in there now. It's so cute. It just goes in a little box. I love it so much. And then I got this. My toe. And then I got this lip gloss. This is my favorite scent yet, and it's, I like this. This smells good. I don't know what scent this is, but it's definitely good. I love it. This is my favorite scent yet. I love her stuff because it comes in big, thick tubes. Like, this is what I like. I like big, thick tubes. Like, if y'all come out with a lip gloss line, or y'all come out with like any type of line, make sure you use, don't get them little small tubes, okay? You do big, thick, nice size, decent amount tubes, because look at this. This is cute. And then I got my little lip oil. I haven't used this yet actually, but let me just, I got some lip gloss on here. I just like the way this feels. That's why I'm quiet. I could do this all day. I could okay, let me stop. I could literally do that all day. This is so cute. I love the way it's packaged, and she has like a little flower in there. Y'all, shop G.U.S.H. Her logo is gloss until something happens, and this is, oh, this is glass. Okay, lip oils and lip glosses. This is so cute. Oh, she has the little butterfly. Oh, her packaging is cute. Okay, and then she has the lip scrub. Now my lips, I don't really have problems with like lip ash and, you know, peeling lips and all that, but I hear that if you do use these, they make your lips like really, really soft and buttery. And so, you know, we're gonna get this to try too, because I actually need to read up on how to use lip scrub. Do you just put it on your lip? I don't know. I have to do some research on how to use lip scrubs, but this is cute. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, it smells like, it smells just like candy, y'all. It smells just like candy. Ooh. The owner's name is Maya. She did her thing. Okay. She did her thing. So y'all go shop G.U.S.H. Disrespectful. Y'all go shop G.U.S.H. She really does her thing, and she takes her time with her products. She don't put out BS, you know what I'm saying? She really takes her time, and I know her personally. She's such a sweet girl, just so sweet, so like determined, you know what I mean? She told me, she was like, I'm gonna do this line. I was like, girl, go ahead, you got it, you know what I'm saying? You can do it. And she did the damn thing. So I love supporting her. I love being a brand ambassador for her. I'm definitely gonna get the word out with these products. All her stuff is good. Like I say, I don't lie about my stuff, you know what I mean? If I don't like something, I'm gonna tell you I don't like it. And if I didn't want to be a brand ambassador for her, I would have been like, hey, I don't want to do this. But she has really good stuff, so go shop with her, y'all. Did y'all see them swatches? So also, I need y'all's help. If any of y'all know how to do makeup, or I don't even have any brushes. I don't have, okay, if any of y'all know how to do makeup, DM me. I mean, comment down below what I need to do, because I don't know the first thing. I mean, I know eyeshadow shouldn't be hard, right? I don't know. I'm gonna look up some videos, and I'm just gonna pray. I'm gonna do some prayers, and yeah, I'm just gonna give it to God because yeah. All right, y'all, so the next video will be me using my palettes. Hopefully I don't make a fool out of myself. Even if I do, it'll be for laughs, kicks, and giggles anyway. Don't take me too serious. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Shop Gush. She's on Instagram and I believe Facebook. I think she's on, I know she's on Instagram. Don't really know about Facebook. I think she's on Facebook. The owner is really, really sweet. Shop Gush. All right, thank you guys so, and black on. What? Black on. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. And just thank you for letting me be myself again. All right. Oh, my hair smells good. Okay, bye y'all.